Alright, so here I'm going to show you how to create a class selector. So first I got my boilerplate code here, and I will just add a p tag here, some text in it. So the way that you create a class selector is you specify it with a period in front of the name that you want to make that class. So in my style tag, I will make up a class which I will use in the p tag. So let's say I call this dot blue. So dot blue is going to be the class that I want to use, and here in my curly braces I will, let's say, change the color of the p tag text. So I will use the color property and I will just give it a value of blue, and then you close that off with a semicolon and make sure that things are nice and organized. So I like to have my curly braces separate from the actual style. So to apply this to the p tag, you go into the p tag, and inside that first opening tag you add a class attribute, and you have it equal to the name that you designated in the style tag for that selector that you created. It's the name that has the period in front of it. So I just type out blue. You don't have to add a period, but it has to be in the quotes. Hit save, and then let's have a look. Here it is right here. So it says with some text. So let's say I want to create another style now, and I want to call this one green. So this is another class selector, and I will change this here to green. And then let's say I just copy and paste this p tag. But now I will make the class green for that second p tag that I copied. Hit save, and now I have some green text. So this is the process of creating a class selector for a style. Here I'm using it within a style tag. So this is called a internal style sheet. If I had it as a separate document saved as a .css file and I linked it to this document, that would be an external style sheet. So this is using a internal style sheet, and that's a class selector.